Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech, day number 39 of Power BI DAX functions. In this set of video series, we have discussed 38 different Power BI DAX functions. If you are watching our channel for the first time and if you are feeling that this video of 38 we have missed already, not to worry, we have provided the complete playlist of this video series link in description box. You can go ahead and you can watch it. Today we are going to deal with the replace text function in Power BI. How this replace DAX function is worked in Power BI, how we are going to deploy it, we are going to see it in a practical way so that you can be understand very easily. We are requesting you to not skip any part of this video so that you will not miss any piece of information about this replace DAX functions. Let's start with the today's session. So I'm going to create a new column over here and I'm going to name it as replace, which is equal to replace, and the syntax is given over here. You can see first we have to give the old text, the second will be the start position of the start position, the third will be our number of characters to be replaced, and fourth one will be the new text which is to be replaced. And the explanation for this particular DAX function is replaces a part of a text string with a different text string, so which we are going to give, it will automatically going to replace it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace our, we have Google Tech, right? So, okay, we are going to replace the Google Tech into Google, the T, right? Instead of tech, we are going to mention it as technology. So I'm going to give the old text as Google Tech. This is my old tech, and the start question will be sixth one. Number of characters to be replaced is technology 6, and the new text is technology. Going to close the bracket and hit enter. You can see our complete text from Google Tech to Google Technology is replaced. So this is how our replace function will work. Hope you have understood this video clearly. If you have any queries in this video, please post your queries in our comment box. We will respond to you as soon as possible. By this, we are coming to an end of this particular video session. We are going to meet you in the next exciting video session. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and Jai Hind.